Early childhood care and education is crucial in the development of children and their lifelong learning success. But lack of funding, poor infrastructure, and inadequate resources remain a challenge. And UNICEF says investing in this will enhance the education system globally.
A lot of the countries are not putting early childhood care and education as a prerequisite in the education system. So there are cultural, social expectations on how children should be cared at home or at an institution. So as a continent, as a global trend, it is coming slow. However, we know that evidence shows that investing in early childhood care and education to strengthen the foundational skills is evident. We need to strengthen what we call emergent literacy and numeracy so that the literacy and numeracy at the early grade level enhances.
And Brazil agrees, as the country is still facing huge challenges in foundational learning and teacher training.
We have a lot of similar conditions in between Brazil and South Africa. So we have to foundation training and learning. It's very hard. The child have to learn at the right age, literacy at the right age, and we have to valorization our professional education. Our teachers is very important for the quality of the education in both countries.
South Africa had 3 priorities and deliverables. These are the roles of early childhood care and education to improve the quality of foundational learning, mutual recognition of qualification in a global context, and education professionals' development for a changing world, which involves the reskilling of teachers for the digital age. All of these were adopted.
South Africa's presidency, just on a broad level, is also based on putting foundations of learning at the center of everything that we do, talking about how do we improve the teacher profession and teacher development, and also how do we equip young people with skills that can be sold across borders and across the world. And so those are the 3 key priorities in which in this first session all of the countries really expressed support for our priorities and really the need for us to scale up this kind of work. So we're quite pleased with that. We are hopeful that we will be one of the few working groups in the country that can have a fully supported declaration by the end of the day.
Member countries have been urged to leverage technology early to improve and enhance education for teachers and learners. Tumela Machoho, SABC News, Kruger National Park.